Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase wallet to your Binance. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the home page of the Coinbase wallet. From here, all we have to do is go to the bottom right section where it says our portfolio. And then from here, as you can see, we contain some Solana on this wallet and we want to transfer it to our Binance. So all you have to do is click on your cryptocurrency that you want to send. And then from here, click on send. Now you're going to choose however much, so let's say the maximum, and then click on next. Now it's going to ask you for the address that you're going to send this money to. So to do that, all you have to do is go back and open your Binance wallet. From here, all you have to do is go to your portfolio, click on add funds, and then from here, deposit crypto. Once you do that, it will ask you for whatever cryptocurrency you might want to transfer. So we're going to search for the same one, which is going to be Solana. And then from here, you're going to choose whatever blockchain that you want and whatever network. So I'm going to select Solana. And now we have our address right here. Copy it and then go back to the app and then going to paste it right there. And as you can see, it registered it. And so I'm going to select whatever option that it gives me, since that it is. And this is the full address. Click on yes, looks good. And then from here, you're going to click on confirm, and that will send the Coinbase to it. And once you do that, it will just load it, give it a few seconds, and that will be done, and it's successfully sent. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.